Onions, the humble vegetable that often gets overlooked in the kitchen, have a long history of being used for their medicinal properties and health benefits. From ancient times to the present day, onions have been revered for their ability to heal and nourish the body. One of the most well-known benefits of onions is their ability to boost the immune system. Onions are rich in antioxidants, particularly quercetin, which helps to fight off free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body. This can help to prevent chronic diseases and keep the immune system strong and healthy. Onions are also a great source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, and potassium. These nutrients are essential for overall health and can help to improve energy levels, support brain function, and regulate blood pressure. But perhaps one of the most amazing miracles of onions is their ability to fight off infections and promote healing. Onions have natural antibacterial and antiviral properties that can help to kill off harmful bacteria and viruses in the body. This makes onions a powerful ally in the fight against colds, flu, and other common illnesses. Onions can also help to promote healing in the body. When applied topically, onion juice can help to reduce inflammation and promote the healing of wounds and burns. This is due to the presence of compounds like allicin and sulfur, which have been shown to have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. In addition to their healing properties, onions have also been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a variety of ailments. In traditional medicine, onions have been used to treat everything from coughs and colds to digestive issues and skin conditions. And modern research is starting to catch up, with studies showing that onions may have potential benefits for conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. But perhaps one of the most surprising miracles of onions is their ability to improve mood and mental health. Onions contain compounds that have been shown to have a positive effect on brain chemistry, helping to regulate mood and reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. This is due to the presence of compounds like quercetin and sulfur, which have been shown to have neuroprotective and antidepressant effects. Onions are also a great source of prebiotics, which are essential for gut health. Prebiotics help to feed the beneficial bacteria in promoting a healthy balance of microorganisms and supporting digestion and nutrient absorption. This can help to improve overall health and reduce the risk of conditions like irritable bowel syndrome and leaky gut syndrome. In addition to their health benefits, onions are also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They can be used in a wide variety of dishes, from soups and stews to salads and stir-fries. Onions can be sautéed, roasted, grilled, or pickled, adding flavor and depth to any dish. And let's not forget about the amazing variety of onions available to us. From sweet Vidalia onions to pungent red onions to mild shallots, there is a type of onion to suit every taste and culinary need. And with so many different ways to prepare and enjoy onions, there is no limit to the delicious dishes you can create. So the next time you reach for an onion in the grocery store, remember the amazing miracles that this humble vegetable has to offer. From boosting the immune system, to promoting healing, to improving mood and mental health, onions truly are a superfood with incredible health benefits. So go ahead and add some onions to your next meal. Your body and taste buds will thank you.